Let's face it, we all have that one plant we can't get enough of. This is mine. Unfortunately, I can't show you all of them. I have quite a few of them in my garden. That was just a quick view of some of them. This is the dinner plate plants. They are part of the Aeonium family.
Aeonium.
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 This one is bright green with red edges. They get these red edges if they are exposed to enough sunlight. This one is not as big as how the dinner plate can get. My biggest one that I have got about 30 centimeters, but I know they can grow a lot bigger. The original dinner plate plants are just bright green without the red edges. But just like the original dinner plate plants, these guys like to grow under a tree or if they're outside under some cover, just to protect them from too much direct sunlight. If they get too much direct sunlight, their leaves will curl up to retain water. Growing them in a moist, shaded area will help to extend their growing period, and their growing period is usually from winter to spring, with nice cool temperatures from about 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. It's nice to know that there are winter succulents out there, or succulents that likes to grow in the shade. Although their active growing period is in the winter, just keep in mind to only water them when the soil is completely dried out. So these green and red succulents with its large rosette shaped flower tend to grow quite vigorously and can shoot out quite a lot of rosette-shaped babies, almost like a seahorse. If you look under the mother plant, you will see multiple babies growing. The mother can start producing all these babies within a year that you plant her with the right conditions. The thicker stem usually leads up to the mother plants, and you will see to the bottom and to the sides all the babies growing, and they will also shoot out roots as soon as they start touching the ground. I sometimes wonder, what does the one plate say to the other plate? Dinner's on me? So maybe if you never have enough plates when guests come over, maybe it's a good idea to propagate them. I uploaded a video last week about how I propagated these guys. I did a water propagation, and I am looking into doing some leaf propagations as well. But this is my result of the water propagation. This is only one of them. I propagated multiples of them. That's why I have so many in my garden. Another way to always propagate these guys is with stem cutting. You can just take a clean pair of scissors and cut off a baby. And then you can just put it in the ground, and that will start shooting out roots also in about 2 to 3 weeks. And another way, of course, is just to wait for the babies to start sprouting out their own roots and to take on the ground. You can just remove it and then just plant the baby with the roots. Like I said before, I would like to try the leaf propagation. Let me know if you did and how it worked out for you guys. I think I'm going to take a few leaves of this guy and propagate them. So all you do is remove the leaves from the mother plants, and then I'm just gonna lay them on soil and see what happens. Just food for thought. If you like having them in a container, it's maybe just a good idea to repot them every 2 to 3 years to ensure that they have enough space to grow, as well to prevent root rot. Well, that seems to be it from me this week. I hope you all have a nice planting week. Bye!